short video, I'm going to show you how you can use CODAP to analyze some data. CODAP stands for Common Online Data Analysis Platform, and it does exactly what that says. It allows you to analyze data in a new way as opposed to just graphing something in a spreadsheet. So let's take a look. All of these little bubbles that you see right here on my screen are individual records in a data set. If I'd like to look at an individual record, I can simply click on that little button right there. Click on that button right there, and the information right over here changes. So you can see if I click on this button here, it'll change again. All right. So that's how you can view individual records, but the real power of CODAP is in viewing all of the data together to make some decisions. So the first thing I want to do is show you guys how you can do some of the graphing. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to drag some attributes to your X, which is right down here at the bottom, and your Y axis, which is over here on the side. So let's say, for example, I wanted to view political parties and how active they were on each of the various social medias. So what I'm going to do is there's someone that says, with political party do you associate? I'm going to drag that down to my X-axis, and I'm going to let go of it right down here in this yellow bar at the bottom. And I let go, and it rearranges all of my data. And you'll also note that the record that I clicked on earlier is right here. It's still highlighted blue. All right. Now, as I said earlier, I wanted to compare the political party people associate with their use of social media. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to find this header that says which use of social media do you primarily use. I'm going to drag that to my Y-axis and I let go, and it rearranges my data and shows me all kinds of cool things and that I could use to make more decisions. But let's say, for example, I wanted to say, even on top of this, I wanted to say, which political party they associate, which social media platform they use, and I also want to see what their gender was. So you can see right here, I have what is your gender. I'm just going to drag that over the top of the graph, let go, in this big box, it turns yellow, and I let go, and it creates a legend down here at the bottom for me, and it shows me, the purple is female, orange is male, all right? Now that you have some data, you have some graphs up there, you can continue to drag things over to change things. So for example, I wanted to change this equal pay and I wanted to change the social media over equal pay. I can just drag and it will change the data that way, right? I can also just click on the title that I'd like and change it right here, just like this. Very easy to do, all right? Now, once you have some data, you want to view it in different ways. If you want to view it in different ways, you go over here. Primarily, the two biggest things you're going to use is the ruler, which will allow you to show mean, median, standard deviation, box plot, things like that. It'll allow you to see percent, all right? So I can see what percent. You see, I can turn it on. Percent showed up here at the top, all right? I can turn on the mean. So I can see where the average is for each one of these things, right? I can turn on box plots. You may have learned about box plots. It'll show you where the majority of the responses are, as well as the very bottom of them as well. All right. So there's a number of different ways that you can view your data. It's just how you want to do it. That's how you go about using CODAP in this particular situation. I hope you guys have some fun playing with our data, and I can't wait to see what you guys come up with.